Good morning everyone. Hope you all are good. Today we are going to learn about phonic sounds. phonic sound में हम आज देखेंगे कि इंग्लिश के अल्फाबेट से हिंदी के किन अल्फाबेट से मैच होते हैं. मैं इनके सामने इनके हिंदी का उच्चारण राइट करूंगी. ओके, आर यू रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट. But which letter is this? A. And what is the sound of A? A. A, apple. A has long sound. A, apple. This letter is B. And what is the sound of B? B. We will not speak B. B. What is the sound of B? B. B, ball. B, ball. Next, C. What is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of C? K. C, cat. Next letter is D. And what is the sound of D? D. D, dog. D, dog. Next letter is E. And what is the sound of E? A. Sometimes we got confused between the sound of A and E. A has long sound and E has short sound. A. E, egg. A has long sound. A. What is the sound of A? A, apple. And what is the sound of E? E, egg. Next letter is F. What is the sound of F? F. F for fish. F for fish. Next, what is the sound of G? G. G, grapes. G, grapes. Next letter is H. And what is the sound of H? H, hen. H, hen. I की साउंड होती है छोटी ई के जैसे. I, ink. Ink. Next is J, jug. J, jug. What is the sound of J? Jug. J, jug. Next is K. Sound is K. K, king. K, king. And sound of L is L. Lion. Next is M. And sound of M is M. Monkey. And sound of N is N. Nose. Sound of O is O. Orange. Orange. Next letter is P. And sound of P is P. Parrot. Parrot. Q. And sound of Q is quack. Q, queen. Next letter is R and sound of R is R. R, rat. R, rat. Okay, what comes after R? S. And sound of S is S. S, stop. S, stop. Sound of S is S. And what comes after S? T. T. What is the sound of T? T. T, tiger. T, tiger. What is the sound of T? T. Next letter is U. And sound of U is A. Sound of U is A. U, A. U, A. Next is V. What is the sound of V is V. V, when. V, when. Next letter is W. What is the sound of W? W. W, watch. W, watch. There is difference between the sound of V and W. In this sound we will open your mouth like this, and in this sound we will open your mouth like W. And sound is of X is sound of X is X. X, X, X-ray. What comes after X? Y. And sound of Y is Y. Sound of Y is Y. Y, yellow. Y, yellow. Sound of Y is Y. Y, yellow. And sound of Z is Z. Z. जैसे बी बस करती है उसी तरीके से हमारी साउंड आएगी Z. जे की साउंड सिंपल साउंड होती है ज. इसमें बी की तरफ बस की साउंड आएगी ज. जीज, जिप. जीज, जिप. One more time we will revise this sound again. Which letter is this? A. And sound of is A. A has long sound. A. A, apple. A, apple. A, a. B. What is the sound of B? B. B, ball. B, b. And what is the sound of C? C. C, cat. C, D. What is the sound of D? D. D, dog. D, D. E. E has short sound. E, egg. F. What is the sound of F? F. F for fish. F. What is the sound of G? G. G, grapes. G. H, hand. What is the sound of H? H. I. I has what is the sound of I? E. I, ink. E. What is the sound of J? J. J, J. What is the sound of K? K. K, king. L, lion. And what is the sound of M? M, monkey. What is the sound of N? N, nose. O. What is the sound of O? Orange. What is the sound of P? P, parrot. What is the sound of Q? What is the sound of Q? Q, queen. What is the sound of R? Rat. Sound of S is S. S for stop. Stop. Sound of T is T. T, tiger. T, tiger. What is the sound of U? U, up. What is the sound of V? Van. What is the sound of V? And what is the sound of W? Wo. sound of Y? Y. Y, yellow. Y, y. What is the sound of G? Z. हम इसे Z भी स्पीक करते हैं, G भी स्पीक करते हैं. And what is the sound of Z? Z. Z, 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 Z. Hope you understood the phonic sound very well. In next video, we will meet with the new concept, vowels and consonant. Please like, share and subscribe our school channel. Thanks.